Good morning, my name is Adelyn Sarta. Linguistics in Colombia is a discipline that has really great relevance in recent years. The science occupies a privileged place in research and university teaching. Linguistic studies have focused on descriptions of ancestral indigenous language as well as on the variety of language present in Colombia, such as Spanish and English. Linguistic research in Colombia has focused on various topics, including the analysis of the grammatical structure of language and their history, evolution, the interaction between the different languages spoken in Colombia. The study of dialectal variants and their relationship with culture and identity, the analysis of oral and written communications in different social situations, and the teaching of foreign language. In addition, the importance that has been given in Colombia to the teachings in the indigenous language as part of the country and national identity is highlighted. For the reason, many linguistic research projects focus on the revelations on extending of the native language of the indigenous communities in the country. In summary, the study of language in Colombia is a discipline in growing development whose main objective is to understand the complexity and language diversity of the multilingual and multicultural and language diversity country like Colombia. Research in linguistics focuses on varied topics, ranging from the grammatical descriptions of language to the interactions between language and their teachings. Thank you.